Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is your ultimate kitchen solution. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one incredible device. That's the power of this Instant Pot. From pressure cooking and slow cooking to making yogurt and even sterilizing, it truly does it all effortlessly. What truly sets it apart are the 15 customizable smart programs, letting you cook anything from perfect rice to delicious cakes with a touch. Cleanup is a breeze too, thanks to the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot that's built to last and safe for your family. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or simplify your meal prep, this is hands down the best Instant Pot for versatile home cooks. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking. Find the best deal and grab yours via the Amazon link in the description below. Seriously, this appliance will be your most valuable kitchen assistant for years to come, making gourmet meals simple. For anyone wanting the ultimate all-in-one kitchen solution in 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-buy.